ready for racing. Racing just started while left to win. Very bad start. We have Silver Blades Masagana Ania rushing about the outside. Teen Titan is down on the inside. The next online is Atoy for us. Shut up, Stormy Norman. Carry over, luck to win. Flash away, Boyo. While Dugus favorite is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Masaganang Ani by about 4 lengths. Silver Blades in second. Teen Titan is racing in third. Stormy Norman comes next. Shut up is down on the inside. Atoy for us carry over. Then next online is Luck to Win. Boyo flash away. While Dugus favorite is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Masaganang Ani maintaining a half-length lead. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Teen Titan. The Silver Blades comes next. Stormy Norman. Shut up is racing in fifth. Carry over. Then comes Luck to Win. Boyo flash away. Then followed over by Atoy for us, while Dugus favorite is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have Teen Titan this time by about 6 lengths. Masaganang Ani in second. Shut up is down in third. Last 50 meters, the curtain closer belongs to Teen Titan. Second is Masaganang Ani. Shut up, Silver Blades. Then comes number 7, Flash Away, and Luck to Win for your Super 6.
3, 12, 4, 8, 7, 10.